Yardi Voyager is a leading cloud-based property management and accounting platform designed for both residential and commercial real estate operation. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools to handle leasing, maintenance, tenant relations, budgeting, and reporting, all from a centralized system. Its strength lies in scalability and depth of feature, making it ideal for large portfolios and enterprise-level operations. That said, the system can be complex for beginners and may require formal training to use effectively. The platform also supports mobile access and integrates with various Yorti modules like Rent Cafe for tenant services and Yorti maintenance for service requests. For organizations that needs an all-in-one real estate solution with strong accounting and operational features, Voyager is a solid, albeit sophisticated choice. So, how do you get started? First off, you will have to book a demo. To begin your journey with Yardi Voyager, the first step is to book a product demo through the official Yardi website, which is right here, right now. So, you have to navigate to solutions and then use the menu to explore Voyager option based on your property type, such as residential, commercial, or mixed use. Once you find the version of Voyager that fits your needs, click on Request a Demo or Schedule a Demo. You'll be asked to fill out a short form details like your name, company, number of units or properties you manage, and contact information. A Yorti representative will then reach out to you to schedule a personalized walkthrough. During the demo, they'll showcase core features, answer questions specific to your portfolio, and explain pricing. After the demo, if you're interested, the Yorti team will guide you through the setup, onboarding, and also training options.